I get a lot of questions about buffing the nails, so I know it must be a little confusing. So I figured I will share a clip from one of my nail assessment services videos that I do. And the client agreed, by the way, so thank you so much. So these videos normally are about 15 to 30 minutes long. In case you're interested, I have a link for the service in the description box below. But now let me tell you more about the buffing. Buff with a buffing block. Again, that it's never good for the nails. The only time that you would want to buff the nails, and I mean, I do it, is to improve the adhesion of the nail polish. But if you overdo it, it actually causes the opposite. So removing the shine is one thing, but buffing and buffing and buffing over the same area, it just weakens the nail. It's almost like, think of it as peroxide. Okay, so if you, let's say, have gray hair, you would have to use the volume 20 in order to color your hair, right? Because you need like a stronger peroxide. But if that hair has been colored already, so if it has been treated with 20% peroxide, you don't have to treat it again because it's already like the cuticle. I know it's confusing, but the cuticle is actually open already. So then you can go with something much weaker over that area. So yes, over new growth, and I know hairdressers don't do it very often. They don't use um, two different peroxides, but that's how I guess it should be done, because you don't need to put 20 over the same hair over and over and over and over again. Because if, let's say, I did that to my hair, the ends would be fried. So is peroxide good for the hair? No, it's not, but it's necessary in order for the color to stick to the hair. And it's similar to the nails. Like, polish will stick to the nails, especially if they are already a little bit porous, but it's not going to stick to a very shiny surface, not for a long time. So in the salon, people expect certain things. Is it good for the nails? No, it's not. Again, is the peroxide good for the hair? No. So knowing that the nails have been buffed or the hair has been treated with peroxide, color treated, then you know you have to use a conditioner. You have to be more gentle with your hair. Same thing with the nails. So it's not, it's, just be careful with it because you can overdo it.